Hey guys, welcome to Weekly Market Watch. In this video, I will review the top tokens that is on my radar, and I strongly believe these are good potential tokens which can be traded this week for a good money. So in this video, I will take you through a few of the tokens that I'm eyeing on this week for trading part, especially day trading, and I will tell you which direction I'm planning to take the trade and what is the profit target, and of course the complete detail of the token by studying the chart. So with that, let's dive in. Let's talk about the token, which is right over here, Pengu. And by the way, if you're someone who's new here, please do remember to press the subscribe button. Also, press the bell icon if you haven't done already. I share daily videos on crypto trading, sharing my profits and trades so that you can also learn from me. And I have a course running on crypto trading. You can click on link above to start learning that right away. So let's dive in. So here we have the first token, which is Pengu right over here on my radar, and as you can see the token is continuously declining, and the best part is there are some hidden gems here this week because the market is bearish and some tokens are reflecting good short position, which means they can bring you good money if you short them this week. Of course, not a financial advice, purely analysis. So you can see right over here, this is Pango, which has been declining since last few weeks continuously, red line. Then it tried to pump for last 3 weeks, like this one, and again failed. So this indicates that this token might go down hard, which means from here to here is quite possible, which the target is 0.006 and we are at 0.01, which is the target. Now to enter the trade, I am doing a weekly trading on this one, which means it will be a longer position, and my target here should be just below the previous week's close candle, which is at around, let me just tell you, 0.102. So this will be my target. 0.006 will be my profit target, and loss should be the high of this candle, the previous week candle. So this gives you a risk reward ratio of close to 1:1. Of course, you can just go to here, so it will give you 1:1 ratio, which is kind of okay. You can take the trade if you want because the pattern looks quite good to me. Still not the time to take the trade because it has not entered the entry point yet, so still time. Second of all, the second trade that I'm taking or eyeing on is C, which is again making a similar kind of pattern. The strategy remain the same. A big high test. Again, the Pangu token is looking very much in line compared to C because it has three back-to-back candles which failed to go up. And the C token is also declining, and we go with the trend. It doesn't look bullish at all. It looks to go to 10 cent, and that is very much possible. I have set my alerts at 12 cent, and then I will take the trade. So these are the two tokens that I'm targeting. Of course, there's many more tokens in my list, but let me show you the best one. This is Zora, which I shorted right over here, and I took the profit right over here. And about this particular trade, what I'm doing is I'm looking at the lower time frame, which is 1 hour, 4 hour, and 5 minute chart. And you can see on the 4 hour chart, it is making lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, and lower lows. So I'm waiting for a signal, the right kind of setup where this candle lose its bullish momentum for today, and then I will short it on the lower time frame using my day trading strategy, which is available to platinum members only. So once I short it, it will go down right over here, and again that will be a strategy for Zora short. The fourth one, which I believe overall the market is, by the way, very bearish because of Japanese rate hike. Japan has announced to hike the rate, and then Bitcoin going down with it, taking along all the altcoins. So these are few of the trades. Of course, Ethereum is also I'm eyeing. I usually don't trade Ethereum because of very high volatile nature. It can take out your stop loss just like that, even if you are right. So here in Ethereum, what I'm doing is I'm looking at the weekly chart similar here, and if they start crashing below the last week's lowest point, which is at around 3028, I will enter this with a target of around 2500. That will be my target because this looks very much in line. This candle here, which is right over here, is touching your 50 MA, 20 MA, and of course, that makes a good pullback to value and that's make a good shot. So I strongly believe it can crash down well below 2500 in the short term, and of course it can go down below $2000 also in the long term. That is quite possible. So this will be my on my radar. Definitely. And of course, one thing you should know that if you're shorting a lot of tokens simultaneously, you are risking one side of the edge. So don't short every token that I'm showing you. Just watch them and do your own analysis and short them. If you have like five tokens to short, short only two. Save your liquidity if the trend goes against you. That is how I trade. Liquidity is the key. You need to save your cash to trade for next day. That's how I do it. So that's about it. These are the tokens that on my list. Of course, virtual I traded and I made a very handsome profit on virtual token, which I did like yesterday. This was the day trading setup. You can see here 1:1 ratio, and right now it looks quite weak, but not the best, you know, token to trade at the moment. So overall, I'm going with Pengu, then C, then we have this one Zora, and then we have Ethereum. These will be on my watch list and I will be looking at them this week and probably give a good short trade to them. So that's about the market watch for the week. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to save your cash and build your profitable account and start accumulating, because 2026 will be massive for the bulls. So let's meet tomorrow in the new video, and make sure to subscribe, press the bell icon, and join my open public Telegram community shared below. And of course, see you tomorrow. Thank you.